Hello and welcome to Patrick's Models and Transport. Nighttime painting. So we're going to paint, give the first coat of red to the rear mudguard of the Skoda 706 Liaz tractor unit, to the spare wheel support, and we're also going to give a coat of black to the scratch built spare wheel. As you can see, I've made it using two 12mm diameter washers. Then I used the top of a big ballpoint pen cap and a little bit of styrene, a styrene disc, which I just stuck in there with glue and glaze. And we'll be painting this black, the tyre black, and once it's all painted black, I'll pick out the rim in grey, but once it's dry. So let's get cracking. So this is what I used. Wait a minute, I'll show you. I cut off the point of this big pen lid. We begin with red, not much speaking because there's nothing much to talk about here, and it's 12:30 at night. And I'm applying quite a thin layer now, just as a form of primer, because it's aluminium, is a difficult material to paint. have to give it a second coat, of course. Okay, we'll let this set on here. We have to finish painting this little bit over here, of course, which is towards the cab, so we could even not bother, but things have to be painted. That's a rule. The paint is to set, as to dry. Okay. Right, move that over out of the road. Out of the road. Oh no, I'm touching. Came in contact with the tripod. Ah, it's okay. Let's move that over there. And let's paint this. Now, what are we going to use? Which brush are we going to use here? Let's use this one. Okay. I have to hold this in place, in position somehow. first coat of black paint. Okay, and now we've done the spare wheel, we'll move that out of the road. Right, and we will put away some another spot of red to do another thing. You see, there will be more red required, they are thicker, as this thinner layer acts as a primer, because paint doesn't grip well on aluminium. Now we're going to paint the hub nut rings in red using a enamel 0.5 brush, round tip brush. Ammo brush is made in Spain and very good quality, the same as the Vallejo red paint. Okay, you can see what I'm doing, and I can see what I'm doing. Vallejo, the combination of ammo brushes and Vallejo paints is an absolutely, what I call, a fantastic Spanish connection. Really very good quality brushes and very good quality paints. And every time I use these, which is quite frequently, I always remember a Spanish person I met, a physiotherapist, a very clever person, very dedicated professional, who had a bit of a unfortunate health problem, and who I've heard has returned to Spain because as a consequence of this, her life in Italy was, she left. But a very clever person, very dedicated to her job, and with a lot of experience at international level. And today I was a bit sad because I realised that the health problem led to other consequences in her life, a partnership and things, and things ended and it's a bit sad. But honestly, it's just the way life goes, isn't it? So when I handle, when I use Spanish equipment, I always remember this person who helped me very much with my own problems, health problems, which are related to, where physiotherapy is very important, and having being in a good mood is very important. I've got to use a magnifying glass here to see what I'm doing. Yep. Not bad with a red. Okay, we'll do the other one now. Righto, let's get going. Okay. Not bad. These kind of precision jobs are what really I find very relaxing in modelling. Just this rear view mirror has been added on here. I think I might even take it off because it doesn't look very correct. We'll have to look at some real life photographs. Okay, right. I think I'm going to give this here a second coat right now. Okay. Wonderful. There we are. We'll have to wait to paint the other side of this. This is getting on. It's done. Yeah. Okay. I think we are good to go. Right. Okay. So wheels are ready. Maybe mudguard, we could say we've done that. We'll have to give this, the spare wheel support, a second coat, and we'll have to give a second coat to the other side of the spare wheel. Let's see if maybe we could even do it right now. Why not? Seeing we've got the brushes out. I need the brush. A bit more black needed. Okay. Right. We'll have to let that dry. Okay, so that was a long half an hour painting video. Good night and see you next time.